Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be a video for Dean O. Sharpening video. He said he liked a tri-hone, Smith's tri-hone. I've got a very old one right here. You can see it there, Smith's tri-hone. It's got a rough to medium stone. I want to call this a medium to fine. It's like a ceramic stone, and it's got a super fine stone. But I don't use this anymore because it's got sentimental value. The old man that gave this to me is dead and gone now. But I'll show you what I do use. And this is my Norton US made combination bench stone. It's got an India stone and a rough side. So unless I want to put a huge, if my knife is really dull, I don't use this side. I just use this to put my primary edges on when I'm making knives. But if I just need a touch up, I probably won't even use this side. I'll use this real super fine grit stone that I have. I call it my finishing stone. It's like 3000 grit. It's super smooth, but it's the best finishing stone that I ever had. I found this in an old barn. It was all caked full of grease, and I started to throw it away, but I decided I wouldn't, and it took me a good while to get all the grease off of it, because this stone was probably that thick altogether with the grease on it. So I'm glad I didn't throw it away, because it's a really nice stone. But I need to put a little bit of an edge on this again, because I've been using it. First, my opinion, I always want to use some type of mineral oil on my stones, so they don't get clogged up, because if they get clogged up, it'll cut more in one space than it will the other. So I'm just going to give a quick passes on this stone just to prepare it for my finishing stone. I really need to do a 2-month review on this now, 2-month EDC review on this Enlin EL02B. When I feel that it's feeling here that it's getting sharp, and I'll go real light passes, and then I'll switch to my other stone. Put this back in the box. Switch over to my finishing stone. It's got a lot of chips and nicks in it, so I stay away from them. Again, some mineral oil. You can barely feel it cutting the steel. And on a real super hard knife like my D2 hunting knife, it just barely polishes it. I really want to get into using strops. I've been watching Dean's videos and really got interested in all of them, especially his use of strops. I mean, I'm not a big fan of diamond stones. He uses a lot of those, but that's all personal preference. There's nothing wrong with them. I just prefer to use stones. Alright, we'll see how well she performs. I got an old hunting regulations book that I'm gonna see how fine I got the edge. It might need a little bit more work, but I don't know. This is like less than newsprint. Oh yeah, she's hair popping sharp. No problem at all. Get that in frame. So yeah, she's pretty sharp. You know, I don't want to see how sharp my knives will get if I start using a strop with a compound. But I've been watching, like I said, I've been watching Dean's videos and got really interested in strops now and the compound that he uses. But that's, you ain't gonna be able to tell on this crappy video, but I mean, that edge is pretty nice. The stupid camera. But she's pretty sharp. She shaves. Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to tell on this camera. There you go. But really, guys, that's my sharpening system. Norton combination bent stone with the rough side and the India stone on the other side, and this 3000 grit finishing stone. Well, guys, thanks for watching. That's about it. Talk to you later.